Before we get into it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, so if you're looking for clean, high-quality clips for your edits, whether it's movies, anime, football, or even cars, here are some of the best places to get them. For movie scenes, check out ronandfxtwixters.com. and ScenePacks.com. Both have top-tier 4K scene packs ready for editing. You can also find amazing Twixter-ready clips on YouTube from channels like Ron and FX7. FilmeyBox, and Clips and Talks. If you're more into anime edits, RingWitDaHoodie has some insane smooth clips. And for football and car edits, make sure to visit LearnWithTIMOFF. The Pro Video. Their uploads are always sharp and perfect for 4K CCs.